What's up, guys? Guess who's back? It's Tiana G, Chef Tiana G, cooking with T. It's been a minute, I'm excited. Summer barbecue segment, because it's summertime. Things are great around the summertime, it's hot. And for you guys today, I'm gonna be bringing 3 things in this video. One of them is gonna be a summer sangria made with stone fruits and berries. The second one's gonna be a Chipotle barbecue, and the third one's gonna be a collard green salad. Collard greens and barbecue just makes sense to me. It's just part of who I am. I'm gonna eat chicken and collard greens together. People usually are like, collard greens, raw collard greens, that's disgusting. No, it's not. It's delicious, full of fiber. They're so great for you, and I'm gonna show you guys how to do them raw. First off, stone fruit sangria. So this was by popular demand. I asked you guys, cucumber and melon, bringing you peach and berries. First things first, we are going to cut our stone fruits. We're gonna cut the stone fruits around the seed, just like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and throw it in the pitcher. Throw some raspberries in there. Fruit is going in. It's going down. Fruit is going down, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and stem these cherries right here. Look at that, that looks great so far, right? It's like a bunch of fruit in a freaking pitcher. I'm digging it. I'm gonna go ahead and put the first bottle of rosé in here. All right, I'm using 2 different rosés. I'm using a sweet one and a dry one. All right. And then I'm gonna go ahead and add a touch of, a splash of it actually. So club soda going in, just a splash. Gonna stir it up. Last but not least, a little bit of orange liqueur. I'm gonna go ahead and add some fresh mint into this mixture. So I'm going to just start destemming the mint. Now that we have everything inside of our pitcher, I'm gonna go ahead and chill this while we are getting our other amazing barbecue fun stuff going. All right, guys, so now that the sangria is in the fridge, it's getting cool, it's getting chill, we're gonna go ahead and assemble our barbecue sauce. It is a Chipotle honey barbecue sauce. Just like any barbecue sauce would, you have ketchup, you have Worcestershire, vinegar, lemon juice, brown sugar. I'm putting honey in there, we got mustard, we got spices, and of course we have onions and garlic. I have everything meased out here for you. I'm just gonna go ahead and start to dice our medium-sized onion. And then go straight down. So now we're gonna go ahead and get everything cooking in the pot. So I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of olive oil into our sauce pot so we can sweat those onions and garlic out. Just go ahead and throw those onions in. Salt into my onions. So now the onions are sweated out. It's been about 5 minutes. We're gonna go ahead, add our garlic in there. It's gonna cook for about 2 minutes. Start with our ketchup and our Worcestershire. We're gonna go ahead and add our Chipotle peppers. I'm gonna go ahead and add our lemon juice and apple cider vinegar. Brown sugar goes in. Dijon, a little Dijon mustard in there. So that's just gonna kick for a little bit, simmer. We're gonna go ahead and prep our chicken and get our collard green salad ready for the great summertime barbecue ensemble. All right, so the barbecue sauce is going into my food processor. So I pulled the barbecue sauce for maybe like 15 seconds. I want mine to be kind of chunky. If you want it to be smoother, you can go ahead for 30, 35, 45, 55, 55. So the barbecue sauce that we have is ready to go. It's jarred up, it's great. It's just delicious. So I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna marinate our chicken thighs. I'm using chicken thighs today because they stay moist. They can take a lot of heat. I'm getting in here, all right? Like somebody auntie would. So as this is getting marinated, I am gonna go set my grill. I am using a charcoal grill, so if you wanna get your charcoal grill ready, at this point, this is great. I'm going all the way, just doing it. Lids down, getting some smokiness, air is ventilated, and then once I get the color that I desire on all these chickens, I'm gonna go ahead and pop them in the oven at 375 and let those rock until they're done. We're gonna be making a collard green salad. There's gonna be some cucumbers, yellow summer squash, apricots, and a cilantro lime dressing. First things first, we're gonna strip and stem the collard. You just wanna pull the leaf off and you're gonna get a stem like this. And then after that happens, we're gonna go ahead and wash it because nobody wants dirty dirt grains in their mouth. Y'all. So I just dried that really quickly. Our collard salad, we're gonna go ahead and tear our collards into bite-sized pieces. And then once it's all torn into like the same size pieces, we're gonna go ahead and mix the lettuces together, and then we're gonna start cutting up our fruits and veg for our salad. Our salad greens are in a bowl to the side. I'm gonna show you guys how to make the dressing part, which is super easy. I'm not using Vitamix, I'm not using anything that requires electricity. I'm putting it in a mason jar simply and gonna shake it up. I love horses. So I'm gonna go ahead and just chop it until it's about right here. You can go ahead and throw them all in mason jars. I'm like a huge fan of mason jars. And add grapeseed oil. Now that we have our oil and our cilantro in our mason jar, I'm gonna go ahead and start juicing some limes. Juice my limes. Some salt that's going in here. Black pepper. I'm gonna go ahead and shake it. Today we are going to be doing some apricots. Like this. So apricots, that's great. That's going into the bowl. So we're gonna go ahead and quarter the cucumbers and then slice it at a bias. So it looks something like that. All right, so the collard green salad is gonna have apricots, cucumbers, yellow summer squash, some toasted pepitas, a cilantro lime vinaigrette, and a whole lot of love. All right guys, so the chicken just came off of the grill. It's the color that I wanted. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush it lightly with some more of that Chipotle barbecue sauce. And I'm gonna finish it in the oven at 375. I'm gonna go ahead and cover it with some foil so it's nice and steamy, it stays nice and moist, and it doesn't dry out too much. The fruit and veggies are dressed as well, so I'm gonna go ahead and mix that in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and mix this salad up, toss it up. Fresh pepper and pumpkin seeds. We got the Sangria tea, summer sangria. It's been chilling and cooling. What am I gonna taste this? Smells great. Some raspberries on top. So the chicken is now out of the oven. Placing on my trivet here. Remove that foil. And then I'm gonna go ahead and place some of the salad here right now. I love this meal. I think it's great. I hope you guys try these recipes down below. I hope you guys have a great summer. Cheers guys, thank you for tuning in to Cooking with T. T's Summer Barbecue Edition. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys enjoyed everything. Please comment down below, like and subscribe. Follow me at Chef Tiana G on Instagram. And let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys try any of the recipes. And I hope to see you guys. Peace, love, and blessings. Cheers, have a great summer.